Kagreta Solutions Training Academy ka Baitre Rinkat Pat ka Sarkar Meghalaya kawan Rashpi ye ki free skills training bapher ki training ki PYNDONKAM ban siu la ni yo ai ki jingmentoy ban yo na kani ka training ki long government certificate startup tools but placement ki jat courses ki badan hapo kani ka center ki long electrician masonry fast food craft baker bamboo furniture maker but kiway de scan yaki form link ba QR code le ni call menta ha uni un number nyo hunrio sao not khandai san nyo 7640957777
FIR yesterday afternoon relating to that fake number plate or something. So now the case has been registered and the investigation has just started. So please give space, let the investigation be on, and thereafter let the law takes its own course.
Sir, just 10 days left for the DGP to retire. How do you see that just 10 days before this FIR is filed?
Well, that how can I predict or how can I say anything like that? But for us, our duty is what? When FIR was filed, we need to attend to this, and the attention of the government has been drawn. That's what I'm telling you. We have already registered. And then the investigation has just started. So please be patient. What action I performed? I said, right? Yeah, action is investigation has just started. Okay, that is the action right now. Investigation has just started.
But sir, if you retired, so what action will you take? You're going to retire.
See, that, as I said to you now, don't ask that question, because see, me or you, we cannot come to a conclusion. Because see, once we register, as I said to investigation, after investigation we have to again file affidavit to the court about the detailed investigation that we made. Then only I'll tell you, we'll be able to know exactly when the court says yes, this is wrong or this is right. Okay?
So the complaint is also against members of that inquiry committee into the vehicle purchase. So will action be taken against those members of the inquiry committee?
Let me just tell you one thing. Yes, in the FIR, I think the person who filed FIR, he draw the line again to the old case. And this old case, it becomes existing case because the court has yet to decide anything. So I will not reply on that at all because the case is still on. So let the court decide.
The Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Lady Keane College, Shillong is now open for admission. Join the 4 years Bachelor of Tourism and Travel Management professional program at Lady Keane College, Shillong and embark on a journey beyond borders. For more information, call the given number on the screen or visit the website www.ladykeanecollege.edu.in.